Guys, I want to show you this gorgeous studio apartment.
Nice.
As you can see, over in the corner here is your bathroom. Over here is your kitchenette.
Okay.
And then this is your living space. You can get a couch, a bed, TV. Good neighborhood. So that's pretty much it, guys. What do you think?
I like it.
I do too. But I want to see other options, you know, if you have any.
That's the case.
Okay. Yeah, let's go, man.
I don't think it's right for us, you know what I mean?
Well, we'll test the one.
Is this the same place?
Do we?
How do we get back here?
Should we just go back through this door, or?
Yeah, let's go back. If we just talk them down, they'd be totally fine.
Yeah, but wait!
See, how is this happening?
Our realtor literally left through this door!
Yeah, we came in through this door.
But there's only like 3 doors in this entire place.
Shouldn't be that hard.
I'm
Here's
gonna
gonna look
try.
at
I'm
other
gonna try the last door. I'll try the last door. You go through
Yeah,
here
there's
again.
gotta be another way.
Maybe we just
Go through
went
there.
through like a
I'm gonna
closet.
go through there.
Okay, I'm gonna go
We're
this
gonna
way.
leave it at that.
All right.
Something's happening.
What the? Dude, chill out. It's just me.
You can't scare me like that. Dude, something is not right.
Look, I get it. I know we can't even leave this place right now.
Yeah, we keep ending up here.
We gotta figure out what to do.
I'm gonna call someone.
I'm gonna try as well.
I'm gonna try calling my parents. They know the area better than I do. I have no bars.
Yeah, me either.
Great. We can't get out of here. I can't call anyone. What do we do? I need a drink. Good call. Hey, check to see if there's any beer for me.
Yeah, let me check real quick. Yeah, looks like we got nothing.
Griffin! Griffin! Are you okay?
Hi. Hey. It's. What's up? What's up?
Only one can leave.
I
can get you out of here. Go.
So you're Griffin, the friend of Austin from that infamous disappearing house case?
Yeah, that's me.
What happened that night?
Well, if I truly was going to tell you what happened that night, you probably wouldn't believe me. But let's just say I tried to go back and save him.
Why did you leave him?
Well, I gave him my cell phone, so when I left, I can contact him. But when I tried to reach him, he just went straight to voicemail, and I don't know if like the battery was dead or if there were just no bars or. There were no bars.